Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and tap on Google account. Tap on Next and tap on Add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and here you can decide who's going to use this device, so just mark the option. Now in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more and then tap on I agree after reading. Here we can decide what kind of data we would like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data, or both. You can mark both of them, but I will choose only this one. And then tap on Confirm. Tap on Manage Backup, and here we've got the information about our backup, so how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now and your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.